There's green all over the place in the crypto market today, and I'm going to be showing you where I think Ethereum is going next with that. We're seeing some changing sentiment, so let me take you over to the trading charts. Scrolling down to Ethereum on the TradeConfident.io website, and the first up is the Ethereum Emotional Index here. And the Emotional Index is going to be your personal window inside the mind of traders. When we're charting cryptocurrency, we're actually charting human behavior here, and the Emotional Index will help you see how others are feeling. Now, we've peaked in greedy and begun heading way back down and are currently in anxious territory. There are two possible scenarios at this point. The first is we could continue moving down into fearful territory, and at this point it'll be very likely we see moves up. Whenever we see the Emotional Index bottom out, this is when we start seeing moves back up in the market. The other option is we stay in anxious and we begin moving up from where we currently are, which seems like what could be playing out right now. Next up is Ethereum long versus short trades, and this is going to show you the buy and sell strength in the market. We can see here that Ethereum is currently separated. Long trades are much higher than short trades, although in the bull market I think you'll find that this will separate significantly more. In the short term though, short trades have dropped out of the market to some extent. It's hard to see there, but there is a small shelf downward. In the meantime, long trades have pretty much stayed even, and overall this is showing very bullish sentiment for Ethereum. Next up is the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. Now, in order to win in crypto, you need to be following what the whales are doing, and this metric is going to help you do that. The whales are the market makers, and right now what it looks like they're doing is slightly into long trades. The last orange bar we saw was directly towards long trades. It looks like this is a very, very tiny one towards the long trade sentiment still, and this comes after we bottomed out locally and began moving back up. Overall, what this is telling me with these smaller bars towards both the long and short trade sides is we're in for some sideways movement. And the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector corroborates this. This metric is extremely useful as it can help you tell how much the market is likely to move soon. Because we have dropped out of high volatility and begun moving towards low volatility, it's more likely we're going to be seeing a sideways movement in the market for some time. However, after we've dropped into low volatility and got sideways for a bit, most often this is going to lead to high volatility and those big moves in the market. So that's what we need to be looking out for. For now, sideways movement is likely what's going to happen, just trading within this small range here, but after that we should be seeing some big moves. Next is the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. Now, support and resistance is fundamental to technical analysis. It is the foundation of everything you need to know with technical analysis, so this metric is going to do all the work for you. And at this point, I think to me it's just pretty obvious we're heading up to that $1,677 resistance here. If we move this line sideways, I think at this point the only place for the price to go is upwards, unless something fundamental happens that'll push the price down. But honestly, the structure support here, kind of near the 1,420 area, it's a little higher than that, but that's going to be our structure support, and for now, structure resistance at 1,677. Next up is the Ethereum daily trade scanner here, and what I'm seeing right off the bat is the price structure has fallen away from the big red liquidity pool here. This tells me that we're not likely to see any more parabolic moves at this point, and we're more likely to continue on that sideways path. This is corroborated by the blue line right here. As long as the price structure is above this blue line, it is considered an uptrend, and because of that, at least right now, we are still in that uptrend and may actually continue using this as structure support for a little bit. Now, at this point, I wouldn't be surprised to start seeing buy or sell signals start popping. Right now, we would be looking for a buy signal right down here, and if we see that, that price movement up is likely. Once we top out again, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal up here to help trade within this small channel pattern. And I do also want to point out price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion are both low on their charts. Most often, this results in a big move up, especially if we get a buy signal that pops right here. I'm not going to go into super detailed technical analysis for Ethereum right now on this, but even the indicators are showing possible moves up. If we do move up, the place I'm looking at is about, again, 1,677, boom. That's going to be our structure resistance. And from where we're sitting on the current price, this is going to be just under a 6% move, a 5.91% move upwards. Once we head up there, the metrics will likely read much more bearish, and at that point, we should be looking for moves down. With that, we will keep you updated. Now, if you want to get access to the metrics you saw me use in this video, click the link in the description right here. Just scroll down, show more, and click this link, the top one right here. It'll take you to the TradeConfident.io homepage. What I want you to do is move up to subscribe right here. Once you click that, It'll bring you to this page. From here, all you have to do is fill out your information and choose the level of membership you want. Basic access for $29 a month will give you access to the metrics for 10 coins, as well as the daily trade scanner on all those coins, macro metrics, community chat, all masterclass courses, Telegram channel, and dedicated email support. The full access will give you all of that on top of 20 total coins worth of metrics, as well as the trader EQ, Zoom coaching every single month, quality trade setups, and morning brew overview. And these two right here alone make the membership worth it. Stay with me and I'll show you how important the morning brew overview and quality trade setups actually are. The morning brew overview will be your trading hub every single weekday morning. It'll provide you with the top and worst performing coins in the market, as well as the crucial news updates for that day. And most importantly, it'll give you the breakout detector and daily trade scanner readings across all cryptocurrencies on our website. So if we see any signals, whether it's breakout detector or strong buy sell or strong sell signals, we will let you know, and all the data you need, all of it will be on this one page for you every single morning. Now, if we get some trade setups, this is when we see the daily trade scanner, trend exhaustion, and price versus while money flow line up. When we see that, we will let you know as well. We'll send out alerts, and let me show you how well those are performing. We have a trade that made 100% profit, one here that made 37% profit, another 37% profit, 7% profit rate, lots of sevens, but 7% profit right here. That's still pretty solid. 36%. Guys, these indicators and metrics work amazingly. So again, links are in the description if you want them. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.